If you're managing a team, remote, in-office, or mixed, and you're thinking we need one place to securely share logins, credentials, and sensitive access, then the choice of password manager matters. Two of the strongest options are Dashlane Business and 1Password Teams, or their business tier. They both handle the core job, secure vaults, sharing, admin controls, but they go about it in slightly different ways. Let's walk through how each platform stacks up, where they shine, what trade-offs there are, and which might be the better fit for your team. Let's begin with Dashlane Business. Dashlane's business offering gives you an encrypted vault for every employee, secure sharing of logins and notes, a central admin console, SSO and SCIM options, password health monitoring, and phishing protection. The user experience is polished. Employees can sync their passwords across desktop and mobile, share credentials securely without IT bringing tickets, and admins can view company-wide security hygiene and enforce policies. On the downside, some reviews note the pricing is on the higher side for small teams, and certain aspects of offboarding or personal versus business space separation may require careful setup. So if your team values an easy-to-use interface, good sharing tools, and you're willing to invest a bit, Dashlane is a strong option. Now let's look at 1Password Teams and the business tier. 1Password offers vaults for teams, shared vaults, guest access for contractors, detailed reporting for admins, strong cross-platform support, and advanced business controls like custom roles, integration with identity providers, SIEM logging, and more. For small teams, there is a fixed price plan for up to 10 users, which makes it attractive for budget-conscious teams. E-Security Planet. The trade-off. The admin interface may be slightly more complex. Some advanced features require higher tiers, and if you're looking for the most plug-and-play experience, you might invest more time up front. Still, if your team needs strong control, auditability, and future-proofing, 1Password delivers. Choose Dashlane Business if your priority is quick setup, very usable user experience, solid sharing tools, and you're comfortable with the cost. It is excellent for smaller teams who want strong security and ease. Choose 1Password Teams Business if your team needs advanced admin controls, granular permissions, guest contractor access, audit and compliance features, and you anticipate growth or complex workflows. In short, Dashlane is great for ease and immediate use. 1Password is great for control and future scale. Either choice will significantly improve your team's password security, sharing workflow, and risk posture. And the right pick is the one that aligns with how your team works, how fast you'll grow, and the level of control you want. That's it. Pick the one that fits your workflow, onboard your team, and make credential management one less worry in your day.